And today we are going to be cooking Nigerian pepper soup. Right, Mom?
Right.
Yeah! Hello, this is Jano and welcome to Jano's Kitchen. And this is my lovely assistant, Mom Christy Lynch.
Hi everyone.
Today we're going to be cooking Nigerian pepper soup, and these are all of my ingredients. By the way, my mom is from Nigeria, and she taught me how to cook different delicious type of meals, which is fantastic.
Nice.
Dried pepper, potash, salt, Maggi cubes,
Yes.
and onion, garlic,
All right.
and
We also
mint.
have the mint.
Mint.
It's not bad.
This is the most important part of the meal.
That's
But
right.
why, Mom?
Oh yes, it is very important because these are the pepper soup spices. Without these spices, there is no pepper soup.
Right?
That's right. Even the aroma right there, it is a tradition. Okay, so it's a must-have. This is the lifeline of the Nigerian pepper soup. Chicken, onion and garlic, spices, dried pepper. We have salt, Maggi cube for seasoning, and potash. Mint for flavoring. And the most important ingredients, the Nigerian pepper soup spices and varieties blended together. To make up this.
We're going to be putting chicken in the pot, and then we're going to put water. Put this over the pot and then let it cook for a few minutes. Okay, so we're going to be putting the onion and garlic in. Everybody. And then we're going to add the dry pepper.
We're gonna add pepper.
We're going to be adding a little salt.
Maggi cube. Let's squeeze in some of the cube right there for flavoring. Put a little bit of potash, right? Just a little pinch of potash.
We're going to be putting
The spices. The
in.
most important ingredient are the spices.
We'll add mint. So do I put it? Put it. So we're gonna put the lid on the pot, and then we're gonna let it cook until it's perfectly done. Mommy, I think it's time to check the soup.
I think so too.
So good.
Oh, do you want to taste it and see what you think?
I'll
Chef Jano.
Sure, I'll give a taste.
Maybe to blow. It's kind of hot. Let me try that.
Great.
Oh, that's nice. I hope it's not going to be too hot for you though.
Okay.
Yum, yum.
Oh, okay. Water. This was hot. I need more. Follow me. Oh, I feel better now. Okay, now it's time we put the chicken in the bowl.
Looks delish, right?
Yeah.
Amazing.
So good. Hope you like my Nigerian pepper soup, and isn't my mom very special and fantastic? So join us next time, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.